How'd you do? Were you able to follow that pattern? It started with a rest. 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 Now, every time I say rest, I want you to stomp your foot. All right? 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Did you get it? Let's do it with the music one more time. All right. Remember, this time we're going to stomp on the rest. 1, 2, here we go. Rest. 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 Good job. Remember the term for gradually get softer? If you said decrescendo, you are a rock star. Yeah, good job. When you're playing music in a large group or even a small group or even with 1 or 2 people, you have a thing in music, there's a thing called dynamics. And that means it helps the music get louder and softer. Otherwise, the music might be all the same volume. And that would be boring. We need excitement in the music. We need build-up in the music. And to make that happen, we need dynamics. Remember, if you want to gradually get louder, that would be called a crescendo. If you want to gradually get softer, that would be called a decrescendo. Crescendo, decrescendo. Crescendo, decrescendo. So today's lesson was on keeping a steady beat with a fun syncopated rhythm to African drumming music, and also to remind you that there is such a thing called dynamics in music. We need them. We need louder music and softer music and medium music and flowing happy music. All of that makes it much more exciting and emotional. I bet you can think of a song that makes you happy. Or you might even think of a song that makes you sad. But anyway, it doesn't matter because that's the beauty of music. It gives all these different emotions. Any song that might be happy for somebody might be sad for another person. It's all personal. It's up to you how you feel. You get to decide what the music makes you feel like. And I guarantee someone else feels the same way. And then again, who knows? They might not. Just enjoy music. Anything you like to listen to is awesome. As long as it's appropriate, of course. So have fun with music. I personally love African drumming music. I hope you guys guys have a great day.